बढ़ाइए। फ्रॉम ग्रेड सेकेंड क्लैप लाउडली। I request Dr. A.K. Yadav sir to kindly come on the stage to present the award. These awards are given for the session 2024-25. From grade second, Keshav, Ibrahim, Rudra Sharma and Tanvi Vij at first position. Priyanshi, Piyush Kumar Pal and Mahi at second position. Monit, Ayansh and Devansh Mangla at third position. Let's clap loudly for our little toddlers. They have shown great love for learning throughout the year. All the awardees of grade third, kindly be ready and stand near the stage. Audience, no reward can be better than your applause. So please जोरदार तालियां हो जाए इन बच्चों के लिए. From grade 3, Riyansh, Himang and Arnav at first position. Himangi, Bhavya and Daksh at second position. Lavi Solanki, Manan and Shresh at third position. जोर से क्लैप करो एक बार बच्चों के लिए. क्लैप इट लाउड. Next from grade 4, Yukt Ayal, Lakshit Singhar and Harsh Vardhan at first position. Krishna Mangla at second position. Tejas Hansh, Hitesh and Mayank Sharma at third position. Let's put our hands together as our academic stars step forward on the stage. I request the audience, जब भी बच्चे स्टेज पे आए तो इनका तालियों से उत्साह जरूर बढ़ाएं. From grade 5, Chetna, Vidhi and Gunik at first position. Ketan, Chetna and Ansh at second position. And Ashvi at third position. Congratulations to all the proud parents.
Okay, look everyone towards this camera.
Look at the proud faces of the children. They have really achieved it. So I think we should give a huge round of applause for all the proud students to make them feel
Thank you,
more
thank you.
special. Next from grade 6, Ayushi, Sakshi and Priyanshi at first position. Ansh, Divya and Krishna at second position. Tanvi, Sonam, Naksh and Mahi at third position. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome our awardees with a warm applause. ये वो बच्चे हैं जिन्होंने पूरा साल मेहनत की है ये अवार्ड पाने के लिए. तो तालियां तो बनती हैं इनके लिए.
Okay, look everyone, smile. Done. Thank you so much.
Next from grade 7, we request Mrs. Anju Dagarji to please accompany on the stage. We also request Mrs. Ajay Garg ji
to please also come on the stage. We also request Shri Dharampal ji to come on the stage. We also request Shri Mohit Sharma ji. Shri Mohit Sharma ji.
Next from grade 7, Vandana, Aryan Kumar and Yashika Singer at first position. Sachin, Himanshi and Khushi at second position. Himanshu Singh, Ayush and Mahi Yadav at third position. Clap loudly for the academic excellence awardees.
Okay, look here everyone, smile.
Next from grade 8, Ritik Shukla, Manya and Shobit at first position. Dipesh Yadav and Nishant at second position. Bhumi Yadav, Divyanshi Tayal and Rahul Kumar at third position. Dear students, the stage awaits you. Kindly come forward. Next from grade 9, Om, Nisha and Araf Kumar at first position. Satyam, Himanshi and Yash Upadhyay at second position. And from grade 10, Goransh at first position. Upasana at second position. Kindly come forward, students, to receive your award. Let's cheer them up and make them feel special tonight. ये वो बच्चे हैं जिन्होंने रात को जाग जाग कर पढ़ाई की है अवार्ड पाने के लिए, तो जोरदार तालियां तो बनती है इनके लिए।
जी हाँ, बिल्कुल बनती है इनके लिए जोरदार तालियां।
From grade 11, Naitik, Parul and Tanisha at first position. Charvi, Abhinav and Garima Sengar at second position.
Look here, smile.
It's a proud moment for all the parents when their kids are getting the prizes.
And this achievement is a never-ending journey for them all.
Absolutely. Many, many congratulations to the students and the parents.
कहते हैं मैम, मंजिलें और भी बाकी हैं, जिंदगी के इम्तिहान अभी और भी बाकी हैं। अभी तो मुट्ठी भर जमीन आती है, पूरा आसमां अभी बाकी है।
Very nice. Absolutely right.
Okay, look here, smile.
3 gold medal in martial arts. Arav from grade 6A won a gold medal in fencing. Weber from grade 12 science won a gold medal in fencing. Yash Jadon from class 12 arts won 2 gold medal in fencing. Yug Kushwaha from grade 12 arts won 4 gold medal in fencing. Kavya from grade 9 won a gold medal in fencing. Naitik from class 11th commerce won a silver medal in fencing at national level. Himanshu Sharma from grade 11th arts won a bronze medal in fencing. Prashansha from 11th arts won a bronze medal in fencing. Lakshay from grade 7th B won a bronze and a silver medal in martial arts.
Congratulations, all dear students and their parents.
Please put your hands together for their remarkable achievement. They have turned their dream into reality. Dakshanal from grade 6C won 3 gold medal and a tracksuit in fencing from National Sports Authority. Sarthak from grade 6B won 3 gold medal and a tracksuit in fencing. Arvi from grade 8C won a gold medal and a tracksuit in fencing. Bhavesh from grade 8A won 3 gold medal and a tracksuit in fencing. Priyanshi from class 8A have been given a tracksuit by National Sports Authority of India.
Like this. थोड़ा साथ में आगे बढ़े। थोड़ा तो
Kanishka from grade 7 have been given a tracksuit by National Sports Authority of India. Put your hands together for our sports achievers.
Okay, click. Thank you.
All these students are awarded with a tracksuit from National Sports Authority. Give a huge round of applause for our students. They are the sports stars of Kundan Green Valley School. The next award category is not about one student, it's about teamwork, unity, discipline, leadership and house spirit.
एक सेकंड श्वेता, एक सेकंड। नहीं माइक नहीं सर, एक लास्ट नेशनल एंथम कर रहे हैं, आप आ जाओ, फोटो भी हो जाएगा।
We will request all our esteemed dignitaries to please come on the stage.
आ जाओ यशिक।
We'll request all our dignitaries to please come on the stage. I will request everyone to please stand up for the national anthem. I will request everyone to please stand up for the national anthem. All the dignitaries are requested to please come on the stage. Mr. Yashik Arora ji, to please come on the stage. Please sir, come on the stage.
सबको थैंक्स बोल दो भाई।
I, on behalf of Kundan Chain of School, extend my heartfelt gratitude to our respected chief guest for gracing the occasion and sharing his valuable words of wisdom. Our heartfelt thanks to all the distinguished guests, parents and the well-wishers for their presence and encouragement. We also appreciate the dedicated efforts of our teachers, staff and the students who worked tirelessly to make this event a great success. Once again, thank you all for being a part of this memorable celebration. Thank you so much.